In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use direct payments in TravelJoy. To get started, log into your TravelJoy account and head to the settings area. From there, open direct payments or payments depending on what you see in your account. This is where you'll set up the foundation for collecting payments from clients. Enter your bank account information carefully, then complete the required verification process. This step is important because TravelJoy needs to confirm your account before you can begin accepting funds. After that, wait for approval. You'll want to make sure this setup is fully completed before trying to collect any client payments. Once your account is approved, open the client's trip. Inside the trip, click Create and choose Invoice. Then select the Direct Invoice option. This lets you send a payment request directly through TravelJoy. Next, add the trip components or services you're charging for so the invoice clearly reflects what the client is paying for. After that, build the payment schedule. Depending on the booking, you can request full payment upfront, set a deposit, or break the total into multiple installments. Before sending the invoice, take a moment to configure the payment settings. Choose which payment methods you want to accept, such as credit card, ACH, or bank transfer, or both. You'll also decide whether processing fees should be absorbed by you or passed along to the client. If needed, you can enable optional features like autopay or custom payments. Finally, review your terms and conditions to make sure everything is accurate and ready to go. When the invoice looks good, click Next. You'll be able to review the email message before it goes out, which is a great time to make sure the wording is clear and professional. Then click Send. Your client will receive a secure payment link they can use to submit payment online. As payments come in, the client's card or bank account will be charged and those funds will be deposited into the trip funds or group funds balance in TravelJoy. You can monitor the payment status directly in the platform, which makes it easier to stay organized and track what has been paid. After collecting funds, open the trip funds or group funds section. From there, you can use the available balance to pay suppliers through approved methods like virtual credit cards, wire transfers, or supplier reimbursements. Be sure to record supplier payments as needed so your records stay complete. Once your supplier obligations have been paid, go to your funds balance and select Withdraw funds. From there, you can transfer any eligible markup, commissions, or planning fees to your bank account. And that's how to use direct payments in TravelJoy.